Morning, good morning. It's very cold this morning, very brisk. And last week's video finally went up on the Saturday. Only a short video, I think 24 minutes long, I think it was. But not bad, little finds was there, especially the 2 World Cups. And which somebody messaged me and said, are they real? No, they're not real, they're replicas. And if they were real, I'd be in jail. And other bits and bobs, nothing spectacular apart from those 2. Today now, weather's going to be a bit hit and miss. We don't know. It says it's going to be dry, but as we left, a bit of spit of rain came down, so hopefully that will stay away. Right, no other news, no questions to answer. And so, let's go carpet hunting on a cold Sunday morning. How much your taxi?
£5.
3? You take 3?
4 will be the lowest. My granddad's literally just walked over there and he will strangle me.
Well, that might be worth filming. There you go, I'll give you 4.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Cheers, thank you.
You always know where Steptoe is, don't you?
Yeah, you can only miss him. Any vintage toys to sale?
Got a few,
Any vintage toys?
got a few, mate. Got a few. What's that? I'll do that one for £7, mate.
Oh. Oh, well done. Yes, sir. No, I can't play.
Sing you a Christmas song.
Go on then.
Alright, what should we go? We wish you a Merry Christmas. Where would you come on?
That bloody,
Where are you filming?
yes, in there.
No, it ain't, is it?
Yeah,
Shut up.
yeah,
No way, is it?
yeah,
Not on the RAYBANs?
yeah.
That's Santa as well, Alright, yeah, no worries, mate.
The camera won't switch on. It's fully charged. It just it's like it won't connect.
So you're filming on that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you see you.
Cheers, darling. Thank you very much. Alright then, cool. See you soon. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring for you and your king. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bargain alert, it's all gonna go.
See you later. What's your belt?
I'd like £10 for it. The buckle seems to go for about 20 on eBay.
No, right. Okay.
Go a little less.
Oh, no. Would you go £5?
Go on then.
All right. You got a £5?
I have indeed.
There you go.
Very much.
A fair exchange. Lovely jubbly. Thank you.
enjoy. Thank
Bye bye now. What's your game? 5. All right, thank you. Hello. How much are your dogs? How much are your dogs?
That one I never noticed, but its tail's been
Oh, it's dropped it. Oh dear. No, I'm done here.
tenner. But they're going for a lot of money though. So
Yeah, I know, but the damage has got the damage is. I'm afraid it does it, doesn't it? All right. Charles. Charles.
Yes, exactly.
How much your toaster?
£8, sir.
Okay. There you go, my friend.
Last one, thank you. You've looked at it already, it's red, not black.
Doesn't matter, as long as it's a fuel it.
It's a, oh, yeah, it's the right
Yeah.
one, it's just red. Yeah, yeah. It's yeah.
As long as it's a fuel
Oh,
it,
yeah,
it's
it's, the
off.
right, it's the right one on the box,
Yeah.
but it's just red.
Yeah, that's alright.
Last one. Cheers,
Cheers, thank you.
very much. Appreciate that.
How much is Dr. Martens? Alright, thank you.
I'm not planning to come next Sunday, but Sunday after. I want to bring more people.
No. How much are your owls?
Small ones are 25, big ones 35. And they're full.
Yeah. Full of alcohol. Thank you, sir.
Have a good
I've come to collect the
Don't forget your storage space.
Alright.
Thank
Lovely.
you.
Thank you.
Have a nice
I'll sort you out next week.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is a Lalique doll's house. I paid £10 for it. I don't know if the camera got it or not. You sold your Tiffany then?
Sorry?
You sold your Tiffany?
Yeah, afraid so, mate. I went
Yeah,
to have one of our regulars.
There you go.
Chinese couple have loads of stuff. It's heavyweight, isn't it?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
Mm,
You like that, don't you?
I do. I just don't like the price.
60.
Yeah, I don't like the price at all.
That's a really good price though.
I know. I don't like the price.
The cheapest I'm going to go is 50. I will not go any lower than 50.
Oh,
I've
all
been
right.
instructed by someone.
I'm not, I'm doing that. I'm going to go over there.
Go on then. Really? Don't have a look, make sure they fit.
35 highest.
Nah, I can't, sorry. It's not, I'm not selling that for me.
All right.
Sorry, mate, this is someone else.
No worries. No worries. I thought I'd come back round, make a special journey for you.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. See you later.
I'm going to say yes on his behalf.
There you go
He's
then.
not answering. So it's his own fault.
That's it. There you
Alright.
go. Happy?
Happy now?
I am delighted. See you later. There you go. That's a Lalique. and that was it. I don't know what happened with the camera. I mean, I bought that first item, the Pepsi Cola wall clock, and then I went to the second table when I bought the Lalique dollhouse, and I was waiting for so long. I stopped the camera because we were just standing there so long, and then when I restarted it again, for some reason it just wouldn't click in, won't connect. So I don't know what's going on with it, and so I've had to use the iCam. So it's going to be a very short video. I'll be lucky to get 10 minutes out of it. But right, so what did we get? We got the Pepsi wall clock. I've had one of them before. They do all right. And then the Lalique Swedish dollhouse. They're very rare. Some can go up to £200. Some of them. So I'm delighted with that. I'm going to put that up today. No problem at all. And yes, delighted with that little purchase. £10 I paid to. And then I got the corgi taxi. That's more for because I like them. The West clock. It doesn't work, but for £3, it's a nice little spares and repairs for somebody, you know. So he said to me, stick some WD-40 in it. I said, yeah, all right, mate. I'm going to put WD-40 into a plastic clock. I don't think so. It's a shame, really, because they go for good money, those West clocks, if they're working. And then the Lalique pigeon. I paid £45 for that. I got a high horse for that for 100, 120, £130, no problem. Quite rare. Some of them go even more than that. So it's quite an old Lalique. And then also the Dualit toaster, boxed as well. You know, so got that for £8. So easy sell, no problem there. And I think that was it, really. Right, that's it now for this week. We'll get the video up sometime during the week, and we'll see you next week. So until then, be kind, be good, be lucky. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you on the next cardboard hunt video.